This is my oral presentation for English Level 2. I will start with introducing myself. My name is Catalina Molina. I am 25 years old. I am from Bogota. I am live Bogota. I'm in study business administration. I live with my husband, my sister, and my two nephews. I like to read, watch movies, and read dancing. Next continues with my trip experience in Punta Cana, República Dominicana. I went with my husband. We stayed 5 days at the Rio Neighbor Hotel. We met Bávaro Beach. We enjoyed the Dominican food characterized by the squid. We also danced in the hotel nightclub called Pool Party Rio and stayed one day in the water park with dolphins. It was a beautiful moment in couple. Punta Cana is ideal for holidays. The weather is warm, but the breeze of the beach make paradisiacal. I did not like that there are many mosquitoes. It is necessary to carry dollars. It's better to bring sunscreen and repellent in sachet. It is not advisable to drink tap water. No fruits or vegetables are allowed to enter the country. It is necessary that you visit Bávaro Beach. Is recommendation to swim with dolphins. It is nice experience. You do not use public transport. It dangers hires a transport company. It is recommendation that you wear a hat. What you should do if you want to travel Punta Cana, you must have your passport. Hire a travel agency to buy a package that includes the ticket. Separately is a very expensive and take many photos. They are memories. Thank you. Bye bye.